So who's the new god already? I want to know. Patience, bud. Oh, all right. Wow, the stars are really shining tonight now, aren't they? Yes, they are, Fisher. Just look at them. I think I should be taking care of my pups now. All right then. This is our new god, and his name is Scotch. Really? That's the new god? He looks so cool. I like his pattern. Scotch. It suits him. Stars. They're all just so bright. Well, they were bright, but now it's daytime again. And suddenly I sent me a message. There's a new god watching over us. Her and Scotch. Ah, the new god is here! They're overpowering us! Now what?
Where are the dragons already? We want to meet one.
No, they're too dangerous for you.
Why?
They're mean creatures.
Okay, I'm sorry.
No, pups, come back. I'm sorry.
It's okay, Daddy. I'm sorry for wandering off.
Oh, he's so lovey. What are you doing? I'm definitely not looking at my crush. All right, then. Max, wake up. Max. What? Oh, potato, pug. How do I know your names? Suddenly informed you on this. Am I dead again? No. We just want to introduce you about the new god. The new god? As Sonny's grandson, you, Max, think you should know. His name is Scotch. Yeah, I heard about him. He will watch over us now. Is that all you wanted to tell me? Goodbye now. Wait, don't leave me. I still have lots of questions. Where did he come from? Isda, please tell me. I have to go too. No! Are you alright? I'm fine. It's like if you're the new beta now, always checking on everyone. I just want to make sure you're safe. My God. Why couldn't I meet him? You will soon. Whoa-wee! Woo! Huh? I met him. You saw what? You met who? I met Scotch. You met Scotch? I have two in a dream. But there's one last thing I need to tell you. What is that? Should I tell him? Oh, never mind. Wait, as Alpha, I need to know. A bit cliffhanger's coming up. Fine, it's that it's just I'm part. You'll see next episode.